Hello, my name is Marco Chou. I'm human. In my first life, I started as a programmer and then switched to database administration. And then finally, I got a little bit of fancy title called the information architect. After 30 years in IT, I retired from Allstate Insurance Company. And then I started my second life to pursue my dream, follow my passion, and became an adjunct faculty working for DePaul, CDM, and since 2000. This academic year, I have two classes to teach: IT 223, Data Analysis, and IT 390, Introduction to Generative AI. Also, I'm an independent consultant. I do corporate on-site training, education, and consulting. I cover database administration, information management, cloud computing, big data analytics, and also artificial intelligence. Since 2023, I got another opportunity working for Octon College because they received a big grant from the Illinois Community College Board to develop a series of AI certificate programs. I'm responsible to develop foundational AI and the prompt engineering. And this year, they renewed the grant. They asked me to develop another two advanced classes: advanced prompt engineering and AI for business solutions. The waves of technologies. As you know, artificial intelligence is everywhere. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's not what you saw in the movie. It becomes the reality. It's a strategic necessity and also is an essential skill for everyone. The next AI wave is Agentic AI. That's today's topic. Let's locate the big happy AI family. Machine learning is the big brother. Deep learning is the little sister. And the generative AI is terrible too, because sometimes it doesn't listen to you. As you know, OpenAI started introducing ChatGPT November 2022. So it has been a little bit over 2 years. What is agentic AI? The next wave of artificial intelligence involves agentic AI, or somebody called AI agents or AI smart agents. And these AI-powered applications not only answers questions, but can also begin to perform tasks, either semi-autonomously or autonomously. Agentic AI marks a new era in automation. It moves beyond traditional AI by empowering systems to make decisions independently. As you know, generative AI is a game changer. Generative AI is a new ball game. Unlike traditional AI models that passively respond to inputs, such as you can ask a chatbot a question, you can write a prompt via ChatGPT. A generative AI can actively plan, take actions, and adapt to new information, almost like a digital worker that never sleeps. AI agent can be defined as an application that attempts to achieve a goal by observing the world and acting upon it using the tools that it has at its disposal. Through the use of a planning, code execution, third-party vendors' tools, perception, and memory, AI agents can benefit both businesses and consumers more than ever before. AI agents aren't coming because they are here already. Gartner is a well-known IT research and consulting firm. Every year, Gartner publishes top 10 strategic technology trends, helping business owners and key decision makers to understand what's coming, what are the cutting edge technologies that may help their organizations move forward. In 2025, those top 10 strategic technology trends, number one is Agentic AI. And Gartner predicts Agentic AI will automate 40% of enterprise tasks by 2026. And this represents a transformative shift with broad implications across industries. Agentic AI is defined by autonomy, adaptability, and goal-oriented behavior. It continuously improves through iterative learning process, and these characteristics set it apart from traditional AI systems. Agentic AI systems operate through four key components, and these components enable complex problem solving and autonomous operation. First, perception, gathering and interpreting information from the environment. Second, planning, defining goals and creating execution strategies. Number three, action, executing plans through available tools. And the last, learning, self-improvement through experience. Putting all this together, let's take a quick look at the AI agent architecture and components. In the green orchestration box profile, you need to define the roles and responsibilities of a given agent, such as doing ordering process or customer service, set up the goals, and give instructions, what the do's and the don'ts. Memory. This smart agent remember what has been done in the past and understand what's the current environment, maybe a little bit different from the past experience. Model-based reasoning, planning, and that's part of the secret sauce. Based on the model, larger language model, small language model, and even customize the resources such as RAG, retrieval augmented generation. And this agent will use different third-party vendors' tools via API calls to take action, to execute the tasks. What's the difference between agentic AI versus generative AI? There are two different roles. Each one has its own strength. The primary function for a generative AI is to take autonomous actions to achieve goals. And the generative AI creates new content based on patterns. A generative AI focuses on decision-making, automation, and execution. And generative AI focuses on creativity, content generation, and personalization. How it works? A generative AI processes real-time data, makes autonomous decisions, and executes tasks. And generative AI learns from large language models and produces new content. And the last, the best use for generative AI is AI-powered automation, financial services, fraud detection, customer service, and many more. Generative AI is about chatbots, personalized content, AI generated media. So these two, they complement to each other. Just think about at university, we have faculty members focusing on teaching, research, and we have staff focusing on administration, management, and both are important and both complement each other and working together. The Agentic AI gold rush. There are many vendors jump on the bandwagon. From the left, there are several hyperscalers like Amazon, Google, Microsoft. And of course, there are many startups introducing new products, services in this area. There are few enterprise platform players such as Salesforce recently rebranded its own service called the Agent Force to show the commitment on using these smart agents in their existing products and services. In the last, RPA, robotics process automation, such as like automation anywhere, and they leverage this generative AI as a feature put onto their existing products and services. Recently, from many news headlines talking about several well-known high-tech companies, they are heading this direction, such as OpenAI launched a set of tools to help developers and enterprises build more capable and reliable AI agents. And these tools simplify agent development, enhance automation, and improve real-world task execution. And Microsoft released several agents, such as researcher agent, data agent, analyst agent, sales agent, cybersecurity agent, and more. And Google introduced Agent Space, an innovative enterprise AI solution designed to transform business operations through intelligent automation and a dynamic agent integration, driving significant digital transformation across diverse industries, including Agent Designer is a no-code interface that helping those developers to develop new AI agents. A2A, agent to agent, is an open protocol aims to connect many different agents. In addition, NVIDIA launches models to ease AI agent development, and even Zoom goes agentic in ongoing AI push. There are many use cases across industries. Agentic AI is transforming industries from finance to cybersecurity. It's being used for trading, diagnostics, and automation. Real-world examples showcase its broad applicability and impact. For example, finance, algorithmic trading, fraud detection. And some financial institutions even introduced robo-advisor instead of expensive human financial advisors. Healthcare, personalized medicine, new drug discovery, manufacture, predictive maintenance, supply chain management. AI agent becomes your coworker, not just a tool. What you can do to get ahead: identify business needs and use cases for agents inside your organization. Audit your workflow and look for recurring tasks to automate. Learn how to integrate AI tools with your business processes. Last, start thinking of AI as a digital team member you need to collaborate with. The future of Agentic AI. The future of Agentic AI involves advancements in AI models. It will also integrate with emerging technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, and the blockchain. Wider adoption across industries is expected. This will emphasize human AI collaboration and augmented capabilities. This is a recommended reading. I attended a Salesforce sponsored event early this year, and they share some of the resources. I think this one is appropriate for university. It's a playbook for higher education, how to transform your institution with AI and agents. So to wrap up, AI will not replace your job, but someone using AI well. Thank you for your time.